Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed at Walmart this week. After all is said and done, I got all of these items for free and made a couple dollars buying it all. I'll walk you through step by step how I did that here in just a second. But you guys, there were so many items on clearance at my store. I have included a bunch of pictures of items that I saw on clearance. I didn't buy any of them, but I thought you might enjoy seeing the items that you might be able to find on clearance at your store as well. As always, if you enjoy the content of my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like I said in a previous video, as soon as I get to 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing my next giveaway. All right, so let's jump into the deals. The first one, this Airwick scented oil warmer. This is priced at just $1.47 in store, and there is a $1.50 off coupon on coupons.com that you can print out, and it does apply to this item. So you will pay nothing, but check your Fetch Rewards app because mine was giving back 75 cents for buying this product. So for me, it was free and a 78-cent moneymaker. Now, if you don't have the Fetch Rewards app yet, not only do I have a code that you can use to score an extra $2 back on your first receipt, but I also have a full video tutorial on how to use that app if you're new to it. So my Fetch Rewards code is here. If you use that code, you'll get an extra $2 when you scan your first receipt. If you need help on using the Fetch Rewards app, I will link the video tutorial that I made in the description box below. Okay, so another awesome deal, and this one is using two different apps, the Ibotta app and the Shopkick app. So if you don't have Ibotta yet, grab it with my referral code here. And if you don't have Shopkick yet, you can use this referral code here to grab the Shopkick app, earn extra kicks back, and start earning big money back by scanning your receipts. So this deal is what they call a bundle deal. And that means if you buy two products, they give you additional kicks back on that Shopkick app. So the first item I grabbed was this Vaseline Almond Smooth. This is priced at $5.84, but there is a $2 off coupon in the January 3rd Retail Me Not. Okay, so you would pay just $3.84 for this item. Then you want to grab this one as well, and you have to check out on one receipt with both of these items. This one's priced at $3.48. There's no coupon on this, but Ibotta will give you back $1 on each of these. So $5.84 plus $3.48 minus the $2 coupon, you will pay $7.32. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta for this one, $1 on Ibotta for this one. You'll get back $5 on Shopkick for buying the bundle, which makes these items a total of 32 cents for both of them. Now, you also want to scan this to the Fetch Rewards app because they are giving points back for purchasing Vaseline products. So overall, a great deal, especially if you like Vaseline products. I know I really like their lotion, so it was a great deal for me. Another item, and I did this in my Walmart video from last week, these 5-star folders are on clearance at different stores. I want to say this one was priced at 25 cents. This one was priced at 24 cents. I know one was 25 cents and one was 24 cents, but essentially they were 25 cents each, total of 50 cents. Ibotta's giving back 50 cents when you buy two, making them completely free. Now, the Poise deal. This ended up being way better than I expected. So these Poise pads, these are the ultra thin. They are priced at $4.84. Now, there is a $3 coupon that you can print from coupons.com, making these $1.84. And Ibotta's giving back $2 on this product But when I scanned my receipt today, not only did it give me $2 back for buying it, it gave me $2.50 additional back because it somehow counted as 2 different rebates. So instead of it being a little bit of a freebie, it was actually free plus a $2.66 moneymaker on each of these. So I made over $5 buying these today, which was just pretty awesome. Another one that I have done before, and I actually did not purchase another one of these. I just grabbed it out of my fridge because we did not need another one. But these Fairlife creamers, they're priced at $2.68. Ibotta is giving $1.50 back. Checkout 51 is giving $1.50 back, making these free and a 32-cent moneymaker. Now this is a new one, the Kraft barbecue sauce. It's priced at $1.18 at my store. The Checkout 51 app is giving 50 cents back, making this a total of 68 cents. These Splendas, so this is the Splenda Stevia Liquid. These, even though they're tiny, these guys are expensive. They're $3.48 each. There is a $4 off any 2 Splenda sweetener product in the January 3rd Retail Me Not. So if you buy 2, you will use that coupon and pay $2.96 and then get $2 back on Ibotta for buying 1. Apparently that is a limit of 1. I was hoping it was more than a limit of 1, but I only got $2 back, making it 96 cents for both of them, or just 48 cents each. So if this is a product that you use or you want to try, 48 cents a piece is a pretty great price when it started out at $3.48. Another freebie that popped up on Ibotta this morning were these Perfect Snacks, and they've given us this for free before, not that long ago. Dark chocolate, Perfect Snacks. There was also a milk chocolate peanut butter cup. They're priced at $1.98. Ibotta is giving $1.99 back, making it free and a 1-cent moneymaker. The last deal that I grabbed, and I really like these cinnamon flavored ones, the Belvita breakfast biscuits. So these are priced at $2.88. Now, Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back with a limit of 5. So you can get up to 5 and you'll get $1 back on each of them. Checkout 51 also has $1 back. That one for me was also a limit of 5, making these just 88 cents a box. Now, I do know that there is a $1 off any 2 boxes of Belvita breakfast biscuits in the January 10th Smart Source. However, Checkout 51 app said you're not supposed to combine their rebate with another coupon. So I did not use that coupon, so I paid 88 cents per box. But with the original price being $2.88, I was okay with that. Also, check your store because the cranberry almond flavor of these were ringing on clearance or on sale for $2.50 a box, making it an even better deal. I just don't prefer that flavor, so I went with the flavor that I knew we liked. All right, that is all the deals for this week. Again, when I total it out, it all came out to be free plus a couple dollar moneymaker. The biggest reason is because this hit a 2 rebates on the Ibotta app. That may go away at any time. I can't promise you that any of these rebates will stay. So always check your app prior to going in the store and buying these items. I would hate for you to buy something just to find out that the rebate had gone away. If y'all have any questions on this, let me know. Stay tuned. Here in just a moment, I will be putting up pictures of the items that I found on clearance. Thanks.